These hats are LED beanies, 100% acrylic, one size fits all. Light distance is approximately 10 meters or 32 feet with these LED lights. USB charging. This is pretty cool. You just fold it over, pull it out, pull the USB cover off, plug it into your computer or USB charging. And red means it's charging and green means fully charged. You just put that cap back on, put it back in, and you're good. So you have 3 variations, high, medium, and 2 hertz flashing. The light will last about 2 to 4 hours. I'm going to demonstrate now. So that's off. So I'm at the off position, click it, that's the high vis. Second is the medium. And third is the 2 hertz flash. You get about 2 to 4 hours depending on what mode you're in. These hats are really great for running, exploring, hiking, whatever activities you want to do that you're going to need a light. If you're a walker at night or early in the morning, these are fantastic beanies for that purpose. The fit and flexibility of the hat is really nice. Highly recommend these hats. They are very popular. Thanks for watching.